How to download YouTube videos and laptop. Here's the official way to save a video for offline viewing. Let's get straight to it. First, open your web browser and go to youtube.com. Now find and open the video you want to download. Once the video is open, look underneath the video player. On the right side, near the like and share buttons, look for download. Now click download. If you don't see this option, you'll need an active YouTube Premium subscription. Once Premium is available, click download and YouTube will start saving the video for offline viewing. To find the video later, click the three-line menu in the top left corner. Then click Downloads. Here, you'll see the videos you've saved for offline viewing. That's it. You can now watch your downloaded YouTube video offline through YouTube. If this helped you download a video on your laptop, like the video and subscribe for more quick YouTube tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.